Hi, kids. Welcome. And today we have a very, very special story. And this is an original story written by Sandeep Verma.
Thank you, Ruchi, and good afternoon, everyone. The story that we are going to tell you today is called The Silent Musician. Okay, it is a story about how somebody with weakness can come over his weakness through the help of his friends and other people and turn it into his strength. So, once upon a time, in a village in northern part of India, there lived a boy called Akern. He could not hear. So, for Akern, his world was a silent one.
I want all the kids to put their right hand in front of their mouth. Could you do that, all the kids? So keep it at a little distance, maybe 1 inch or 2 inch away from your face, and speak. Can you feel your vibrations on your hand?
I can feel it really lightly, but because he's deaf, then I think that he'll be able to see it better, because if one of your senses gets damaged, others get stronger.
Very nice, very nice.
The same vibrations were the ones that Akern was feeling coming from the speakers.
So what are the sounds that villages have? Can anybody share? Please raise your hand.
Ma'am, normally in villages there are animals like cows.
So there could be the sound of the wind if we listened really carefully.
Yes, ma'am. I think in the village cows are moving. Maybe.
Cows, yes, that could be one.
Ma'am, I think so in villages because there are a lot of birds chirping.
Yes.
Can anybody tell me how does a peacock sound?
Like this.
Yes, very good. Yeah, that's
very good actually.
Right. And that made him realize that if there is this kind of vibrations that exist in the world, he can also create his own vibrations.
So what this little Akern did was he took that contraption he had made with the rubber balloon and he went and caught vibrations of everything, and then he realized that everything has a rhythm. So if you can see, as I tap, you'll realize that ripples are formed in the water. He experimented with a lot of different musical instruments by creating sounds and vibrations. What you can do is grab whatever is around you that can make a sound. Like I have a glass and it makes a sound.
Two things that can make a sound.
A normal bottle, you don't have to do anything to it, can also be a musical instrument, because if you tap it to different things, like if you tap it to wood, this sound.
Yes.
Very nice.
Wonderful. Once we will create all the music together.
3, 2, 1, and let the music play.
Our boy Akern, who could not hear at the beginning, became a very popular and famous silent musician.
So I now want to ask everybody, what is their learning from the story?
Have a weakness. Maybe if you try, you can turn it into a strength, or maybe a strength is hidden in you, which you may find out with your weakness only.
I learned that it's okay to be different,
That it doesn't matter how you are, you can always fulfill your dream.
So I think his music was original and not copied, because he was actually deaf. So how is he able to hear music in copying? So that's why he was able to make his own type of music, because he didn't know any other music.
Showing your special thing that you have with all its originality is very, very important, because being original, being yourself is the most important thing in this world. and it will always win you prizes. It will always take you places if you show people who you are.
That boy had his strengths also, he had his weaknesses also, but when together he worked with his friends, they made a wonderful band.
So like work hard and you can do anything you want.
We all have very beautiful qualities that we sometimes don't know about.
You may never know that when can you turn your weakness into your strength.
Very nice. That's a
Very
beautiful
nice.
lesson.
So much.
Thank you.
This was a very engaging story. All the students were really excited. They created their own music. Thank you so much.
We all had a great time with the story, relating the story with our own selves. We collectively, Folk Orbit, feels that nothing's impossible. We definitely need that
What
sort
a
of
wonderful
positivity
thought,
for this
Mahika.
year.
So never give up and always focus on what you can make best out of your weakness.
Thank you, Mr. Sandeep and Ms. Ruchi, for a wonderful story session.
It was a wonderful story.
And can we give a big round of applause to Sandeep sir and Ruchi ma'am?
Thank you. Can hear this one.
Brilliant idea.
Okay.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy